bet he's matching that shirt up.
He's getting off track, isn't he? Told you not to let him drink all that beer.
Yeah.
See if we can get a close up of him going sideways by us. Yeah. Just like NASCAR down in. Oh, he hit a roadblock. Oh shit!
Oh! I didn't know what happened. It looks like he's about to trip over his front feet, don't he?
Yeah. I guess he got in that decon. I don't know.
Stuck. He just shit. Something. He did something.
Oh shit!
Oh,
You
yeah,
see that?
He's about done for.
Four wheeling. Oh, he just ran into a plug.
Done got high centered.
Yeah, done ran into a plug.